Hello and welcome to Apuntes de Español. In today's video, we will study the formation of the plural in Spanish. The formation of the plural in Spanish is usually quite simple. As a general rule, if the noun or adjective ends in a vowel, an S is added to the end. Example, gato, gatos, mesa, mesas, casa, casas, libro, libros, sofá, sofás. If the noun or adjective ends in a consonant, es is added to the end to form the plural, as for instance in león, leones, or profesor, profesores, or animal, animales. The nouns and adjectives ending in z change the c to ces in the plural, for instance lápiz, lápices, or actriz, actrices. There are other rules, as for instance the words that ends with s or x. Some of them add an es and others don't change. For instance, autobús, autobuses, or the word thorax. The plural is thorax as well. Words that ends with a y at the end, they usually change to yes. For instance, rey, reyes. In this worksheet, I proposing you some examples to practice to form the plural. Remember, if it ends in a vowel, add an s, and if it ends in a consonant, add es. If the word already ends in a practice this rule, I'm going to let you do this exercise. Remember, if the word ends in a vowel, add an S. If the word ends in a consonant, add an ES. And sometimes if the word already ends in an S, you don't have to change it. Stop the video if you need more practice or if you need more time to do it. And I give you the answers right here. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button to support the channel. Thank you so much and have a good one.